Welcome to Exploration Unknown. Alright, I just picked up some snacks and some coffee, getting ready to head south on 285. I'm going to head down towards Buena Vista today and hopefully see something that I haven't seen before. Going to hit some trails and see what we can find. It's Friday of Memorial Day weekend. I'm kind of surprised the traffic's so light. It is kind of early in the morning still. I left out at about 7:30 from Bailey. It's 8 o'clock now and I'm 20 something miles out of Buena Vista and traffic is very light, very light. So kind of getting lucky with that. It won't be so much this afternoon. This afternoon it'll be probably packed with campers trying to get out to the woods to have fun with their family for the Memorial Day weekend. Alright, I'm finally getting off the pavement right here at the Trout Creek Summit. I'm going to go ahead and go west on this trail I found. I don't know if I've ever been on this trail before. It takes you into the San Isabel Forest. Travel's restricted. Jeeps, quads, ATV, motorcycles, bicycles, all okay here. I'm going to show you the entrance to the trail. Alright, we're at the 4-mile travel management area. There is camping out here. Looks like there's a pretty good trail system. Bike trail route. And motorized riders. Alright, I'm getting ready to cruise down the trail, see what we can find down here. I'm not going to air down yet. The trail doesn't look like it's too bad. If it gets worse, I'm going to pull on over and air down the tires so we get a little bit of softer ride. Right off the trail here, there's already some campsites that are obviously able to get to by camper. I'm going to show you the campsites as we're going by. I probably won't do every one, but definitely get some of them to give you some sort of idea what kind of campsites are around here. They're primitive campsites, so they don't have any water, don't have any sewer or anything like that, but it looks like it's a nice little campsite and it's easy to get to with your camper. Alright, I got the tires aired down to 20 pounds each. I'm going to go ahead and head up the trail. Hopefully it'll ride just a little bit softer. Alright, with the tires aired down to 20 pounds, it's riding a little bit smoother back here on this little bit of a washboard trail so far. I'm going to go ahead and explore this area and see what I can find back here. as you can see, there's many dispersed primitive camp spots around here. It's pretty cool. The views are just spectacular in this area. You got these cool rock formations. You got the beautiful collegiate mountains behind you. And you got this rock formation over here behind me. Just a very cool camp spot. So far the trails back here have been really moderate. You can probably do it with any four-wheel drive truck. Jeep definitely. Any kind of four-wheel drive SUV will get you back here. Very pretty back here. A lot of cool rock formations. Nothing too crazy on the trail though. But beautiful views. I've gotten to see a little bit of wildlife. You can take ATVs back here. So yeah, it's a pretty cool trail. Nothing too tough. I would highly recommend it. Unknown.